Hey guys, welcome to Amy's Kitchen. This is Amy and that's Richie. Richie. We are here to meet some friends and share cooking skills. Yay! Today, let's cook green pepper and egg noodles. Its Chinese name is 青椒鸡蛋面. It's savory and comforting. Look, we have noodles, green pepper, 2 eggs, and garlic, half a pot of hot water, cooking oil, soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, and chicken bouillon will be needed. Their Chinese names are 面条、青椒、鸡蛋、大蒜、热水、油、生抽、蚝油、盐、鸡精。Now let's get started. First, mince the garlic. Cut the green pepper into small pieces. Crack the egg into the bowl. Stir the eggs. All the ingredients are prepared. Start cooking now. Heat the pot and add oil. Add eggs, 鸡蛋. Stir fry the eggs. Add garlic, 大蒜. Add green peppers, 青椒. Stir fry them together until the green pepper gets soft. Add half a pot hot water, 热水, and heat it to boil. Add noodles, 面条. Add a spoonful of soy sauce, 生抽. Add a little oyster sauce, 蚝油. Add a little salt, 盐, and a little chicken bouillon, 鸡精. Heat for a few minutes until the noodles are fully cooked. And it's done. Wow, it looks great. Please try it. I'm also going to have an apple, 苹果. It's lunchtime. It tastes so great. After eating, I'm taking Richie for a walk in the neighborhood to visit those stray cat friends I've missed for so long. I brought some treats for them. These are their favorite snacks. There are more cats this summer. Even in the heat, they still linger by the windows. I still remember a few of them, especially this one-eyed tabby. It's gentle and always dashes first for treats. There are also a few white cats, but I sometimes can't tell them apart. Oh look, here's another cat on the roof, wandering around. I think it hopes to be cared for, just like the others. I toasted it some treats. Lots of abandoned cats live here. It's near the trash station. Many kind people come to feed them regularly. 哎呦，这个好耶！来，给你。Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.